Hi, Peter Kenyon from Extra Mile Weight Loss, and today we'll be talking about V is for vacuum. Now, I'm not expecting you to increase your housework, though this is a great way to burn off extra kilojoules. V is actually an acronym, and you'll soon discover I cheated a bit on this. V is for visualize. Visualize the person you want to become. Visualize how a slimmer version of you will be out there, riding a bike, backpacking a mountain trail, or just simply playing with the kids. Visualization is a somewhat outdated development process belonging to the self-help books of the 70s and 80s, but it's no less relevant today. I'll leave it to you to Google some research on just how powerful visualization can be to achieve your goals. Go and Google visualization techniques for basketball and just have a look and see what pops up. A is for action. You must take some form of action to achieve the results you want, and the action must be different to what you're doing that gains your weight. If you don't know what you're supposed to be doing because you're just new and starting out, then act like you know what you're supposed to do. If you don't know how to exercise, then just go and stride out with confidence. Pretend you've been walking for exercise for years. Just act like you know what you're doing. The same goes with your diet. You have a basic idea of what you should and you shouldn't be eating. Just act like you've been doing it for years and eat what you should be eating. Nobody will ever know the difference. C is for control. And here I'm talking about exercising some form of self-control when it comes to the temptations that lead you to your weight gain. You can't keep giving in to temptations because that's a behavior that gained your weight. C is for control. The self-control to control calories. WM or WM is for weigh meals. Okay, you guessed it. This is where I cheated. W can either be written as two U's or a W. Anyway, let's just move along. You must weigh your meals, but not all of them. There are two things that must be weighed on every weight loss program. That's breakfast cereals and protein, in particular meat. Both these contribute to weight gain because we don't exercise self-control over portion sizes. Very few of us weigh our breakfast cereals to measure out what a serving size is, and you'd be very surprised at how little you should be eating. Now, the same goes for your protein portions, particularly meat. The diet plan associated with this website outlines the portion sizes of meat, and once again, you would be surprised at how little meat you require at your meal times. Somehow, over the past few decades, we've been led to believe that we should be eating half a cow at a barbecue, or give over half our plate to our meat at meal times. It isn't and shouldn't be that way. The best way to control these two foods is to purchase a set of kitchen scales and put them to work. Now, if you found this article to be helpful, then please subscribe and receive some weekly posts, or as often as I write them, and share on your favorite media. So until the next post, thanks for listening, and we'll catch you then.